Sie kann keiner... Sie pennt!
Here he comes. Right below us. Bring up the net.
In the net, sir.
The fuck?
Looking for someone? I'm on my call.
Hello, Arthur.
Happy now?
Nice work on Grill.
With Gino on.
Hi, Crane wanted me to let you know that, you have 36 hours to eliminate the next target or they will eliminate me.
That won't happen.
But you heard what she said. Need to pick up the pace. This is your next kill. Adrian Cook. You know your problem, Bishop. You just can't help yourself. So I knew you'd come back for her. That's your weakness.
Now do the third kill, or the girl's dead. Take him down below and give him a proper send-off.